threads skip over quite a bit. Next one will be blue 4. I got them all over here on the same side. Next one is tabby. And it will kind of cross over the threads and hold them in there. Next one would be, okay, here I am using the IWeaveIt program, which is nice to show which threads you need to treadle next. This is treadle 3 with the green thread. I've got 3 different threads here, so I use the green thread and I push number 3 treadle. So I push number 3 and I push the green thread through, and what that does is tells me which ones to work next. If I use the program that chart that gives a little number, and I've got to do 3 of this number and 4 of this, and it really is confusing. So whereas this shows me what treadle to push, which thread to push through, and where I am on that sequence of threads. So I now tap the screen and I go to the next treadle. And I've got one thread is my tabby, and I've got 3 green to put this one here through. I'm not very fast at this. Then the number 7 treadle. So I push the 7 treadle and I push that shuttle through. And so here's a real close-up view of that. What I'm going to do is continue it, pushing the 4 treadle, and I'm using the blue thread. So I push that through, and then I go to the next one. Just tap the screen, it goes to the tabby, and we go through on the tabby. It'll actually electronically add all the tabbies with you, etc. So it's really a nice program. So I know now I go to the number 3 treadle with the green thread, and I push it through, and I end up with and we go to the next one. So you can see how it's going down through the threads. I can always see where I am in the progression of things, which treadle to push, which thread color to push through. So I use the blue one and I go through. And the next one will be the treadle, which is number 7. So this IWeaveIt is really a nice program as far as kind of keeping track of which one goes through, and it's just an electronic way to read the patterns that you have in the pages that were given like this. It's an electronic way to do it and keep track of what's next, and especially if you get a phone call and interruption. You know, what was I on last time, and you have to look at see which thread is down there. This is really a good system, so I really like it. You can actually reverse the treadling to go the reverse direction or go forward, and stop it, and when you restart the program it'll pick up where you left off. So you can actually stop at any point in time and pick up. And it's a very good program.